Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing $15 tech deck, or fingerboard versus a $30 one that we made.
Alright, so to get this kicked off with, this is just a regular tech deck and I just put yellow wood grip tape, yellow wood trucks, and the bearing wheels, and that's all for my build. And here we have a Thrasher deck.
Made out of wood, obviously. It has, I forgot what wheels these are, but they're bearing wheels. They roll really good.
Right here.
And then we have the Black River grip tape and the Black River trucks. And they have real bushings inside of it, so that's good. So we're going to be doing a game of
skateboard.
Just skate.
Yeah,
Okay,
skate.
skate.
We're gonna be doing
Skateboard's gonna take too long.
Game of skate, as always. This is our park. For now, we need to make more because we made this. We made all of this except this. We got this at Target. And
we're gonna do a Rochambeau. Whoever wins starts first. Whoever loses goes second. So. Let's do a Rochambeau.
Don't put your hands behind your back.
First, I'm going to take you through the obstacles. So,
Oh yeah.
So this is the quarter pipe.
a quarter pipe that we made. It's a vert, if you can see that. Here. On this side. But it's a vert. It goes to right there. We got whole capital stickers on there. We just made it by a 2x4. That's about the good length like this. A little bigger.
Yeah.
Rail, I made that one.
Yeah, we made all of this.
I just kind of colored on it, and then I put wax on it. There's lots of wax on that.
Like right here on the corner.
Also, we got
tech deck. I made that one. Just hot glued it. Just
you guys
regular.
can get wood like this at Home Depot and
or
the
in
Hobby
your
Lobby
backyard.
store.
Yeah, it's super easy to make too. You just cut it with a jigsaw too, if you have one. But if you don't, just grab a saw.
If you don't have a saw.
If you don't have a saw, then just go ask your grandparents, or
Snap it on your leg. No.
Or you could just
You can
find
go rent one at Home
box.
Depot too. You can rent them. They're $40 to rent.
And a book is a good one. And then if you have a pencil box, you could grind on that too.
Yeah.
But anyways, getting back to the obstacles, Target has a hubba, has a rail, and we got a little manual box. Also,
Going through the progress of making these fingerboard videos, we're gonna have a lot more obstacles because we just started making them. It's been a good month.
yeah, good market.
Because it takes a while, because wood glue takes 12 hours to dry.
Yeah.
And so
More like a whole
And then
day.
we got sand it. Which
Sand.
takes about a day or two.
Sand.
Yeah. So let's do a Rochambeau.
and the drawing takes about a good 30 minutes.
So both of you guys get behind this. Noah, you stand here. Noah, you stand there.
Okay, so let's do a Rochambeau.
Dane, you stand there.
Hold up. Put this right there.
So what I want you guys to do, I want you to already have your fingers behind your backs ready. And I want...
Had a good Christmas. Tell us in the comments what you got.
Oh, I almost forgot. Like, share, and subscribe.
And
subscribe.
turn on your notifications so you get posted on our next video.
Okay. So have your...
Wait.
So have what you want behind your back already, and then
Wait, hold on. I gotta think about it.
I know where to go with. Alright, ready?
I know what to go with. Wait. Okay, ready?
Come on.
Rochambeau. Rochambeau. Oh my gosh! All right.
Okay,
Alright,
so Noah.
Super easy for the first one. I'm gonna ollie up and do board slide all the way down.
Fail.
Alright,
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna do rock paper.
Okay. Rock the fakey.
Alright, now I'm gonna do blunt to fake.
You really like this quarter pipe, huh? I mean half pipe? Yeah, quarter pipe.
Alright, I'm gonna do a feeble. No, it's Smith. And I'm gonna come down to fake, okay?
Okay, Noah.
Okay, I'll give it to you. Let's see. I'm gonna do an air. I'm gonna do an air down.
You're always. So,
Okay,
nothing. It's high right now.
I'm gonna do a manual. I'm gonna do manual to revert after the manual.
Oh crap. Alright, so
I already messed up.
I gotta
that
stick to
manual.
I gotta stick to my plan. So I'm gonna
Board slide down.
board slide down.
Okay, let's do it.
What the heck?
Dude.
Dane,
Wow, you freaking
go get me a paper towel.
What?
Dane, come get the camera. Come get the camera.
Alright, I'm gonna hold the camera for 2 seconds.
Alright, so this is gonna be my trick. So that's what this guy has to do. Pass on the camera so he can do it. So this is our thing. Alright, hold on, Dane. Don't go yet.
Oh, okay. Cool. Alright,
Okay, that's an add-on.
oh, let's go. Fakey ollie. I don't know what that was.
Alright, so
Okay.
you got it. Good job.
Cameraman is back.
Yeah.
Cameraman is back in business.
I'm gonna do. We need to put more tape on this, but we'll do it later. I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just like.
Just right here, ollie.
Yeah. So
I'm serious. I had a dream that I pushed that while it
That
had
was
tape
a
on it.
50-50.
no, I want like this.
Rebate.
Rebate. Okay.
Okay.
See?
No revert?
Huh? No, reverse.
So who has an S? Dane has an S?
No. No.
Okay, no one has an S.
Alright, so I'm probably gonna do. I'm gonna ollie on Smith or no 50-50. Do 50-50. So excuse me.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm just gonna do ollie up and then just like casual 50-50. Okay.
Alright.
And guys, sooner than later, there's gonna be giveaways because right now we don't know how to ship things. So,
Okay. It's your trick still.
I'm casually gonna do.
Sorry about the shaking. You nose grind? Okay. Rebate. Okay.
Okay.
Was it fakey or no?
No.
I was like, just.
Rebase.
Rebate.
I didn't do that.
No one saw the last one. That was the first tee.
No. I did two tries because I went like this.
Ah,
I
dang it.
just went like that.
No, you did a nose grind.
Second tee.
That's what I did a nose grind and just slid off.
This is a tail.
tail grind.
Oh my gosh.
I went like this, but then you went like that.
Okay, do it again.
It's like, I'm done with the nose.
Yeah, that's a nose grind. I did that. See, fail.
Failure. Don't you know that I hate you?
Alright,
Noah, take your trick back.
No,
I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna just go down, and then I'm planning to do. I'll just keep it simple. Forget that I'm just gonna do an ollie, which I can do.
You you can't do an ollie.
I can.
Look at this dude.
I can do an ollie.
No, you can't.
I'm gonna backside one.
You can't.
Yes, I can.
You can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Look, I got you for the camera people, or cameraman, because he doesn't believe I can do an ollie.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a backside 180 at the gap.
Nope.
Let's edit that real quick. Let's edit it.
No, we're not editing.
Alright, just do this. Okay, let's just
Okay, but you failed.
Both of you can't ollie.
So it's my
We
turn.
have to edit it though. It's not
We
a
can't.
video when we don't-
You just said edit it. So
Edit it.
edit.
He failed that one, so it's my turn.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna
we're
do-
not editing that out.
I'm gonna do a basic trick flip, which I can't do either.
Okay. I'm gonna backside 180.
So show us that again. So backside 180.
Oh, you jumped over
The rail.
He jumped over the rail, guys.
Do backside 180.
No, he failed. That's what he did.
Yeah, you're a camera boy, not ref.
I'm just gonna.
No, I'm kidding.
I am.
I'm gonna kick.
I saw that
No,
you failed.
No,
You failed.
I was seeing if I could kickflip over it.
Oh.
I did a shove. No way.
Alright, keep it simple.
Trash.
I'm just gonna.
Guys, flip the gap.
I'm not one of those people that have to stick to the tricks until they make it.
You had to do an ollie.
That was a French try. You don't have to pause. Okay, so I'm gonna just
So, okay.
And then watch, I'll land it right now.
Pause game. Pause game.
No,
Okay.
wait, no. Kickflip.
Pause game.
Flip off, flip off.
Alright, hold up, pause game, because this boy wants to tell us something that nothing matters.
Okay. Who has an S?
No.
You do? Okay, so Noah and Dane have an S. Okay. So S and an S.
Alright,
I'll put that on the screen.
Alright, alright.
Right there.
no, guys, I'm just gonna go again.
No, you can't do it twice.
You can't do one trick twice.
I'll do 50-50.
On what?
Wow,
Do
you
it.
did.
Bro, camera boy's messing
Ah!
up hard.
Noah!
Alright.
Move, I'm gonna take your trick. Dude, 50-50.
Like, oh, you did it.
I did a Smith. I hate fingerboarding, man. I love it, boy.
Move, brother. Alright, I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna ollie the gap. Ollie the
And guys, in my
to
next video,
revert.
we're gonna play horse in my room. Because I have a basketball court on my door.
Horse.
Okay, so I'm gonna ollie the gap. Manuals off favorite. No, just
Let me do it again, because I wasn't paying attention, because this dork is a...
ollie, manual off favorite.
Ay, ay,
So,
Ollie like that, and ollie on, and then into a revert.
yeah.
Ollie on revert. Adia. You stupidly did a manual.
Dude, bro.
Stop doing manuals. Ooh, wait, guys. Shh, shh, shh.
Oh!
Look at this crazy mug.
Look at it. No, don't put it on my carpet.
Dude, he's putting this mocha on my carpet. You freaking bum. Let me see. No, show the camera people. Show the camera people.
You farted real hard.
Dude.
You farted so hard, you sneezed so
Dude, he's like the guy from Grown Ups that farts and sneezes and burps at the same time. Dude, he like completely messed up.